The camera market is about to get hit with a serious reality check, and if you're holding off on buying new gear this fall, you need to hear this before you drop a single dollar. We've got major announcement dates locked in for September, but there's a massive elephant in the room that almost nobody is talking about right now. Global data center construction for artificial intelligence is currently eating up the entire supply chain. AI tech giants in the US and China are buying up components by the millions, absorbing high-speed flash storage, RAM, and microcontrollers at rates we haven't seen in decades. If you tried picking up a high-speed CF Express card, a fast SD card, or a rugged external SSD recently, you've probably noticed prices spiking nearly 200% compared to last year. That raw material squeeze is forcing photography brands into a massive corner because margins on mirrorless bodies are notoriously paper-thin. You can only jack up retail prices so much before consumers completely bounce. That exact supply chain bottleneck is why Nikon has been dead silent for months, and why Fujifilm was forced to push back the launch of the X-S6. They simply can't secure the silicon at viable price points. But even with these logistics nightmares, the product roadmap for September is officially set, and Sigma is kicking off the madness on September 8th with 2 guaranteed optics and a potential world-first piece of glass that sounds almost ridiculous on paper. Let's break down what's actually hitting the market first. Sony E-mount and Panasonic L-mount shooters are finally getting the long-rumored Sigma 85mm f/1.2 DG DN art lens. We've seen the physical prototype testing out in the field, and this directly targets a glaring gap in the current native mirrorless landscape. Portrait photographers and high-end wedding cinematographers have been begging for a ultra-fast 85mm f/1.2 option with blazingly fast autofocus, especially since Sony's official line has topped out at f/1.4 for years. It gives creators that hyper-shallow depth of field without having to adapt vintage glass or compromise on eye-tracking accuracy. The second optic dropping on September 8th is a complete left-turn strategy that aims straight at Sony's best-selling travel glass. Sigma is releasing a 22 to 60mm f/2.8-4.0 compact zoom. Now, on paper, you might think, wait, really? Why drop a 22 to 60mm when Sony already has the wildly popular 20 to 70mm f/4.0 G lens? Well, look at the trade-offs. The Sony 20 to 70mm is an absolute staple for solo vloggers and hybrid shooters because 20mm gives you that crucial arm-length framing headroom. But it's locked at an f/4.0 constant aperture across the board. Sigma's counterpunch gives you a full-stop faster f/2.8 aperture at the wide end, making low-light handheld shooting, indoor vlogging, and nighttime street work drastically cleaner. You lose 10mm on the telephoto end, going to 60mm instead of 70mm, but gaining that extra stop of light at 22mm is a trade-off I'd make any day of the week. Which trade-off would you actually choose for your personal setup? Would you rather have the constant f/4.0 reach out to 70mm, or do you take the faster f/2.8 light-gathering power down at 22mm? Let me know down in the comments because I'm curious if creators value speed over range here. Now, here is where things go completely off the rails. Sources close to supply chain insider How2Fly have leaked that Sigma is actively developing a third optic, and we might get an official development teaser on September 8th. We are looking at a 65mm prime with a maximum aperture wider than f/1.2. We are talking about a potential 65mm f/1.1 or even a record-breaking 65mm f/1.0 full-frame autofocus lens. If Sigma actually pulls this off and brings it to market with functional autofocus drive motors, it instantly becomes the fastest full-frame autofocus prime lens ever manufactured in optical history. Yes, the front element is going to be massive, and yes, it's going to weigh an absolute ton on your camera strap, but the rendering and light collection capabilities of a native 65mm f/1.0 would render background bokeh like nothing else in existence. This optics wave from Sigma is just the opening shot for a massive autumn launch window across the entire industry. On September 9th, OM System is dropping a brand new Pen Series MFT body. On September 15th, Canon is scheduled to unveil the full-frame EOS R8 Mark II to reclaim the budget entry market. Sony has a dedicated product announcement lined up for mid-month, while Panasonic is celebrating their 25th anniversary with heavy expectations around an L-mount cinema camera and a refreshed Micro Four Thirds platform. The launch calendar is stacked, but with component costs skyrocketing due to global tech demands, these early production runs are going to sell out instantly. If you want to secure these lenses before backorders pile up into next year, keeping a close eye on these exact announcement dates is paramount. Sigma is about to shatter optical records on September 8th with an ultra-fast 65mm f/1.0 autofocus prime lens, alongside the all-new 85mm f/1.2 art and a versatile 22 to 60mm f/2.8-4.0 travel zoom. But why are camera bodies like the Fujifilm X-S6 and upcoming Nikons getting delayed? We dive deep into the global AI data center chip shortage that is skyrocketing storage prices and pushing camera manufacturers to the brink. Plus, major launch updates on the Canon EOS R8 Mark II, OM System PN series, and Panasonic L-mount cinema gear. Camera prices are skyrocketing and gear launches are being pushed back. In this breakdown, we reveal how AI data center expansion is causing massive shortages in RAM and storage cards, forcing brands like Nikon and Fujifilm to hold back new releases. However, Sigma is breaking through the noise with 3 massive optical announcements on September 8th, including an insane 65mm prime wider than f/1.2. Stick around for confirmed release dates for Canon's R8 II, new Sony announcements, and Panasonic's 25th anniversary reveals. September is officially the busiest month in photography. Join us as we dissect the official leak timeline: Sigma's triple lens drop on September 8th, the new OM System PN on September 9th, and Canon's EOS R8 Mark II on September 15th. We take an aggressive look at Sigma's game-changing 22 to 60mm f/2.8-4.0 zoom, their f/1.2 portrait glass, and the mind-bending f/1.0 prime teaser. We also break down how silicon cost increases are impacting everyday creators.